Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Plug your switch dock into power and TV, then attach a USB Bluetooth adapter into the dock's rear USB port. This provides the radio the dock lacks. Once done, make sure the Xbox controller is charged and powered off before pairing. Powering off prevents conflicting connections. You do this now because the dock operates as a USB host and needs the adapter to translate Xbox wireless signals into H. Now pair the controller. Put the USB Bluetooth adapter into pairing mode so it will accept new devices. Blinking LEDs indicate readiness. Next, press and hold the Xbox controller's pair button until the Xbox logo blinks rapidly. This signals it is searching. Once the adapter detects the controller, its LED will stop blinking and the controller's light becomes steady. This is the handshake completing. Make sure you stay near the dock to avoid signal drops during this exchange. Finish by testing inputs in the switch menu or a game. The system should accept basic button presses even if full button mapping differs. If the controller is not detected, first swap USB ports or use a powered USB hub to ensure stable power to the adapter. Once done, restart the dock and repair the controller. If problems persist, update the adapter firmware or try a different adapter because compatibility varies and firmware often fixes pairing bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.